Hello everyone, this is King Panda and I'm here to answer yung frequently asked questions tungkol sa armoring. Bakit doble ang pintuan sa likod ng armored vehicle? Hindi naman talaga doble ang pintuan. Nilalagay yon, there's the regular door and there's the ballistic door. Now, nung mga sinaunang panahon, nung nag-umpisa kami sa armoring, this is probably in the 90s to all the way to about 2002, 2003, ang ina-armor yung mismong pinto. Now, if you look at armored vehicles back then, yung mga Suburban, at that time, bago lang yung Escalade, pero ang pinaka-popular dati Suburban. There's two types of Suburbans. There's a tailgate na Suburban, and there's a barn door. Ang pinaka-paborito ko nun yung barn door. Kasi if you armor a barn door, at least, may bisagra siya. Na-upgrade natin ang bisagra at nagiging stable yung pinto at saka madali siyang buksan. Now, when it comes to the tailgate, as cars became more modern, lumabas na yung mga tailgate na tumataas. Madalas automatic pa yan. Imagine kung in-armor mo yung tailgate. Anong klaseng motor? The same way sa mga bintana na bumababa, na ayaw natin bumababa. Same way, anong klaseng motor ang kailangan ilagay mo dun sa tailgate para i-accommodate yung weight ng armored na tailgate? Like I said, ang windshield nasa mga 200 kilos na. Imagine ang rear door, nasa mga 150 kilos yan. Iaangat niya, hindi pa ho kasama yung bakal sa pinto niyan. What came out of a lot of designs in the US military and other military installations around the world is they installed a ballistic door. Now, the job of a ballistic door is to, number one, keep the passengers safe. But in addition to that, is to keep the integrity of the door sa labas para hindi mo na kailangan i-alter. So, a lot of people will say, storbo naman yan. Bubuksan ko to, bubuksan ko pa yon. But trust me guys, you are driving a tank. You are driving an armored vehicle. And the reason why you're driving an armored vehicle is you want peace of mind. So the last thing we want is mag-armor tayo ng tailgate, tapos maipit pa yung kamay nyo ron. Eh wala na kayong peace of mind, wala lang kayong daliri. Diba? So that's the whole reason why we adopted that technology to make it easier for everyone.